Today I want to share with you my recipe for an awesome chicken and sausage Mediterranean bake, Greek bake if you will, all done in one pan, ready to go in about an hour or so. Absolutely delicious, very simple to make, and you know what? You can do this even on a weeknight. So, first things first, going to preheat our oven, 375 degrees, 180 degrees Celsius, give or take, get that going. The next part of this recipe is the actual marinade itself, which is extremely simple. Very, very simple and crazy good. I'm going to do about half a cup of Greek extra virgin olive oil is going to go into this. I'm going to do 2 to 3 heaping tablespoons of strained Greek yogurt is going to go into this as well. Nothing complicated at all, just like that. Help it a little bit more there. Along with this now is the flavor base. I'm going to do a little seasoning of salt. Kosher salt's going to go in there. Fresh cracked black pepper will do the trick as well. Very nice. A little paprika. You can use any kind of paprika you like. I'm using smoked. I would do probably a generous 2 tablespoons in here. You want a little bit of kick to this. I'm also going to do 4 cloves of garlic. You can't have Greek food without some kind of garlic in it. So I'm going to take care of this right now. That's perfect right there. So that's my 4th clove going in. It may seem like a lot, but there's never too much garlic in anything. It's just the way it is. I'm going to take about a tablespoon of my oregano, my dried Greek oregano will go in here as well. Beautiful background flavor. And oregano is one of these things that I prefer, or one of the herbs that I prefer dry over fresh. So that's good there. Oh, let me get a twig out of here. Perfect. Like that. The next thing is the juice of 2 lemons and the zest of 1. And it's going to give us such a bright flavor. And what's going to happen is it's going to actually wake up this recipe. And like anything that you zest, whether it be a lemon, orange, clementine, whatever it is, make sure you only get the top layer or the colored layer off. Because if not, what's going to wind up happening is you're going to get the bitter white part, and that's not exactly a good thing. All right, perfect. Just like that. I'm going to take now my lemons. You can even put the pits in here. No big deal at all. So squeeze the juice in here. I'm going to grab a little whisk and simply mix this marinade together. And, well, just enough to combine. Now, the people that I'm making this for are actually like wusses. They don't like any kind of heat or spice to this. But at this point, you may want to add as well some chili flakes, sriracha sauce, or something that'll kind of amp up the heat value or the spicy value. For the chicken, I am using very simply drumsticks and thighs. So I'm just going to place my chicken in the marinade and just toss it up, if you will. Perfect. Just like that there. And very carefully mix this all up so you get your chicken nice and evenly coated. And this is one of my favorite recipes. This is such a beautiful recipe. So that's perfect. Now, the other thing with this is I'm making this right away. I'm going to bake it off right away, but you could also marinate this for like even an hour, 2 hours, or even overnight. Will totally work as well. I'm going to use a nice big pan, and I'm just going to put this here. Just empty it out in the pan just like that. Perfect. That can go in there. This can go here. and just place it. Let me grab a tongs real quick, because what you want to do is place your chicken skin side up and on one layer. So now, the sausage part. I'm using 3 of my homemade sausages. I'm just going to place these on top, just like that. These are going to provide another layer of flavor in this. And lastly, one last drizzle of my extra virgin olive oil will go into this over the whole thing, just like that, because olive oil makes everything better. It's right up there with butter. And that's it. So now, this is going to go into my 375-degree oven for about an hour, give or take. But here's the thing. Halfway through, we're going to cut in, and I'm going to show you what we do next. All right, so we're halfway through this baby here, and it's absolutely looking fantastic so far, but there's more. Into this, we're going to add some tomato, some feta cheese, and some Kalamata olives. So, first things first, I'm using these little tomatoes here. They're, If they're bigger than this, just cut them in half. For these, I'm just going to put them in whole, wherever they land, just like that. These are going to release their juices and their flavors. Perfect. Just like that. What the hell, put them all in. So you're looking maybe a cup or so, cup and a half. Kalamata olives, same thing. Now, here's the thing with Kalamata olives. I'm using the whole olive, so I'm using it with the pits or the stones. Don't get the ones that come pitted. They're just, you're gonna miss out on the terrific flavor. If you want to pit an olive, here, just do this. Let me just slide this over here. You're gonna take this, push it down with your thumb, just like that. Simple, nothing to this. And the pit comes out, just like that. Look, boom. Very, very easy. Nothing to this. And you have a Kalamata olive with no pit. So, look how beautiful this is looking. I'll do that there, just like that. I'm going to take my feta in chunks. I don't want to crumble it. I'm going to take big chunks. And I got this from the bottom of the barrel, literally. And I'm just going to place them, again, helter-skelter, wherever, all around. Just break it like that. Perfect. And keep going, and you're going to do, about 100 grams of the feta, and it's going to add, or it's going to bring such a beautiful brininess to this dish. Remarkable. Absolutely gorgeous. This looks absolutely devastatingly good. All right, that's it. Pop it into my, again, 375-degree oven for the remainder of cooking time, about half an hour or so, and we'll be ready to go. Oh my gosh, look how gorgeous this looks. Absolutely fantastic. Being about 30 minutes or so since the midpoint, looking really, really good. The feta has started to actually brown and caramelize. The tomatoes are nice and kind of wilting away. They're kind of releasing their juice as they split. Time to test this out. My kitchen smells unbelievably good. It is so freaking amazing. Absolutely amazing. I want to try one of these. Oh, look at this. Look how this just melts away. And then look how this tomato just falls apart. And then the feta has just softened a little bit of the brown there. chicken. Very, very, very delicious. Very, very hot. Oh, just want to try like a little tiny piece. I don't want to like burn myself. Oh my. Oh my gosh, that's good. The flavors are so mellow now. It's absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. The sausage actually is like, I should have tried the sausage too, but what the hell. Anyway, that's it for this recipe on my Mediterranean style or Greek style chicken and sausage bake. A little pork on chicken action. Very delicious, very easy to make, a one-pan meal. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button and consider subscribing. Very simple recipes. This is like simple flavors, but such a depth of flavor. Share this recipe, make it for yourselves, for your friends, for your loved ones. It's perfect for the holidays or any day. In a little over an hour, you've got an absolutely delicious meal, and you can serve this with a nice salad, rice, potatoes, veggies, pretty much just about anything, or some fresh Greek crusty bread. Dip all these juices, and you're going to be absolutely golden. It's going to be perfect. So, again, I thank you so much for watching for this recipe and others. Check me out online at kensgreektable.com. And until next time, stay safe, be careful, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you so much again for watching. Bye for now.